Hello, I'm Ryan Chan, the CEO and founder of UpKeep. Today we're going to talk about an aspect of the dairy industry that's often overlooked but is incredibly crucial: routine maintenance. We'll discuss the importance of regular inspections, the role cleanliness plays in equipment longevity, and how to effectively manage maintenance tasks. By the end of this video, you'll understand how to incorporate these practices into your daily routine, and how a CMMS, short for Computerized Maintenance Management System, can help streamline these processes. Now let's get started. Let's talk about routine maintenance tasks for the dairy industry. These tasks include system awareness and adjusting equipment according to manufacturers' recommendations. It's crucial to ensure your core system works well, has regular inspections, and receives the maintenance it needs. Now let's dive into the importance of daily maintenance. Establishing a daily routine that involves general equipment awareness and excellent hygiene practices will significantly improve your preventive maintenance program. When it comes to milking equipment maintenance, cleanliness is key. Keeping the milking area and equipment clean will not only extend the life of your assets, but also reduce the costs of corrective chemical usage or emergency repairs. Be sure to check that your rubber components are smooth and do not ink off. Also, look out for any holes in air tubes and liners, as this can signal a potential leak or quality issue. During your daily routine washing, take the time to observe your equipment. Look for leaks and ensure that the water flows well through the entire system. This is a great time to spot if gaskets need to be replaced or leaks need to be repaired before these issues affect your milk quality. Let's move on to regular inspections. The need for inspection, replacement, or servicing of other components of your milking system will depend on your equipment usage. In the dairy industry, tasks should be based on runtime or observation of problems. For instance, make it a habit to regularly check, clean, and replace hoses as needed. If you spot debris like straw or manure, remove and clean the hoses immediately. This will prevent the debris from entering the pulsator, which can cause major problems. Also, ensure that claw and liner vents are unplugged. Clogged claw vents can increase vacuum pressure and impact the overall health of your cows. One crucial inspection to carry out is checking the liners on the pulsator to make sure they are operating properly. If the liners fail, you can end up with faulty milkings, which can quickly add up in a larger dairy and cause health problems for a dairy herd. Interestingly, professionals who inspect dairy equipment regularly find that pulsator malfunctions are present in more than half of all service calls, and many of these could have been detected with a quick finger test. If you've invested in a scheduled maintenance program with an equipment dealer, make sure to maximize that relationship. The dealer may track and maintain service, but you'll want to ensure it stays on schedule and coordinate their service activities with your own checks and maintenance tasks. Using a CMMS, you can ensure that all checklists are followed by personnel and equipment dealer. Moreover, if you have a root service agreement, you may be able to have an extra set of eyes to check things like water temperature, cleanliness, vacuum level, and pump operation when supplies and chemicals are delivered. Coordinate these checks with your service technician. Now let's talk about record keeping. Besides understanding maintenance requirements and having a good process in place, it's also essential to keep excellent records of what you've done, who has performed the work, and the problems that have come up. This information can provide you with a detailed history, as well as data to make decisions about changes in equipment or processes. Finally, one excellent way to manage a top-notch preventive maintenance program for a dairy is to invest in a mobile-first computerized maintenance management system, or CMMS. This can help you incorporate preventative maintenance schedules, prioritize work orders, and collect information in one central location. A mobile-first solution such as UpKeep will allow you to add third-party dealers or partners as well. This means they can enter the work and checks they have performed and also have access to background and maintenance records on equipment. So consider incorporating a mobile-first CMMS solution into your routine maintenance tasks for the dairy industry. Thank you for watching. We've covered the importance of regular inspections, cleanliness and equipment maintenance, and the role of a CMMS in managing maintenance tasks effectively. Don't forget to subscribe to our channel for more insightful content. For more information, visit our website at upkeep.com. We look forward to seeing you in our next video.